The all-new Ducati Panigale V4 SP has finally landed on the shores of America. Well, actually this one landed in the Midwest at Ducati Detroit. But needless to say, the moment I got the text that the all-new V4 SP arrived, I grabbed my camera and made my way to the shop to see this glorious bike. In today's video, I'm going to go over the 19 things that make the Ducati V4 SP so special that I think you should know. First off, what is the SP? It's an effort to bridge the gap between the Panigale V4S and the Panigale V4R. Think of it as a V4S, and then someone walked over to the Panigale V4 Superleggera parts bin, grabbed $10,000 worth of carbon and titanium, and threw it at this bike. But you might be asking yourself, but Joey, what does the SP mean? Well, I'm here to give you that answer. SP stands for Sport Production, and it's used to recognize a production bike with specific technical equipment that makes it faster around the track. Now, are you asking yourself if the SP has ever been used before? Well, the current Hypermotard 950 also comes in an SP trim. Introduced for the first time on the legendary Ducati 851, this abbreviation identified the version that formed the basis for the development of the racing bike used in the Sport Production Championship. It was a precursor of the current Superstock bike. Slotting into the range with the V4S and the V4R, the Panigale V4 SP is more racing-honed model designed for a track day enthusiast. The power figures remain exactly the same as the V4S with 214 horsepower and 91.5 pound-feet of torque. The 1103cc power plant is the Desmodici Stradale V4, a liquid-cooled engine with 4 valves per cylinder. Electronic fuel injection is used with dual injectors for each cylinder, and shifting is achieved through a 6-speed transmission equipped with the Ducati quick shift system. Designed to trim the fat, as they say, the Panigale V4 SP whittles the weight down to 173 kilograms with the use of split-spoke carbon rims, which are 1.4 kilograms lighter than the forged aluminum variants, while it also gets use of parts showcased in the Superleggera V4, including the same brake calipers and the master cylinder, dry clutch, and the same chain. Under the skin, the Panigale V4 SP utilizes the same electronics package as its siblings, but now includes Ducati Traction Control, or DTC, derived from the Ducati Corsa team. The riding mode has also been split into 2 different mappings, giving the rider more flexibility when chasing a quick lap time around a track. You'll also get a full racing kit for track use. Included solid aluminum caps for the removal of the rear view mirrors, kit for the removal of the license plate holder, open clutch cover, and it includes the Ducati data analyzer with a GPS module to really track those times. To top all of that off, you'll also get the exclusivity guaranteed by its unique number assigned to each model and a stealthy black paint job with the striking brushed aluminum fuel tank. And if you want more, there are various options that are available, including racing accessories, sport, pit stop, and touring package. The racing accessory package includes 10 components with additions such as the titanium exhaust and a high-quality fairing. The sport add-on is mostly to enhance the sporty styling of the bike. Components such as the Brembo Solima R brake calipers and Öhlins NIX 30 43mm suspension give the bike enhanced handling. The 330mm disc on the V4 SP are the same size and spec as those used on the Superleggera. The Brembo front brake pump is remotely adjustable and incorporates a multiple click system. Track grip is augmented with Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa SP 120x70 ZR17s in the front and a 260 ZR17 in the rear. A number of standard Ducati features are also included on the bike, including Ducati Power Launch, multiple riding modes, and Ducati Traction Control. The new model will have the Evoluzione 3 or the Evo 3 version of the traction control system, which dynamically adjusts torque to facilitate cornering and overall handling. Billet aluminum is used to form the steering head and rider foot pegs, yet another choice of materials that makes the bike feel truly premium. Each bike's production number is beautifully engraved on the billet aluminum steering stem, and a reinforced aluminum alloy frame is used in the front, engineered for increased stiffness. The V4's upscale sporty black look is defined by the winter test-inspired livery from the MotoGP team of Ducati Corsa. Tire warmers and garage stands are included in the pit stop package for those who frequent the track, and for those looking to use Ducati on longer trips, the touring package adds a tank saddlebag, higher riding seat, and larger windscreen. The all-new Panigale V4 SP is now in the market with a price tag of $37,000, but if you did not order one in November when they were originally released, you're going to be hard-pressed to find anything available. And even though we just talked about price, I think it's really important to know that for $37,000, this is about $15,000 more than the standard Panigale V4. So if you think about it, you could buy a Panigale V4 and a Panigale V2 slightly used for the same price as the SP. Will it have the same exclusivity? No, not really, but you do have the V2 as the ultimate track bike, which probably to me is the better bike to have. And for the 19th talking point, does Ducati plan on having any more SPs to the lineup? To me, the idea of just throwing 10 grand worth of carbon wheels and aluminum parts at a bike is easily replicatable, right? We could see a V4 Street Fighter coming out or a V4 SP Street Fighter coming out. Hell, we could even see a top of the line Ducati Scrambler 1100 SP come out, right? If people want it, Ducati's going to make it, right? I've seen people throw carbon wheels on all sorts of bikes. Ducati might as well put their hand in and get that cash money. Now, this Panigale V4 SP was already sold, so unfortunately I did not get the opportunity to jump onto it and give it a whirl. But I've been promised another one is coming, and I'll be able to swing my leg over for it for a proper ride. Now, what are your thoughts on the all-new Panigale V4 SP? I truly love the brushed aluminum tank with a black colorway. The only thing that really irks me a bit is the addition of the Italian flag on the winglets. In my opinion, Ducati should have kept the red and black livery going through the entire bike. But let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. I'd love to chat about it because I think this bike's really beautiful and a good step for Ducati coming up. Now, go out there and ride safe.